Hello everyone, this is the agenda and objectives for the week of February 23rd. We will start like we always do on Tuesday with our summative assessment. We have two summative assessments this week. I think I told you in last week's video that we needed to be prepared to be able to complete problems on sections 1, 2, and 3 in Chapter 8. So that would mean the geometric mean, the special right triangles, so your 30, 60, 90, and your 45, 45, 90, and then the Pythagorean theorem. Our second one deals specifically with our section from last week, which is our trig functions. So using sine, cosine, and tangent to be able to find the sides of the triangles, and then using the inverse functions to be able to find the angles. So keep in mind that summative assessments are being completed on Tuesday, and that is due by 6 p.m. this evening. All right, our next thing is the new material for this week, and this will be section 8.5. Part of it is actually a continuation of section 8.4 also. So there will be two different video sections. You will need your notebook for both of those. One is on page 8 and has to deal specifically with the angles of elevation and depression. And then the next one is the foldable. Remember that the foldable comes before the chapter notes and practice problems, so it's out in the front of the section for chapter 8, and that is trig review, and then also addresses those angles of elevation and depression. First video is about 11 minutes. The second video is about 15 minutes, just for your planning purposes. Next thing, then, we have our formative assessments. We have two this week. Both are found within your notebook. So the first one, formative assessment 8.5, notebook pages 19 through 21, dealing specifically with this angles of elevation and depression. And then the second one is formative assessment 8.5, which is a personal pop quiz. The assignment pages are in your in the assignment information there. I believe they're pages 9 and 10. Okay, and like always, those are due a week from today, and so that is Tuesday, March 2nd, and these are due in the morning at 9 a.m. Do keep in mind that we do have Zoom sessions this week on Wednesday, on Thursday, and then next week on Monday. Always a helpful one since your work is not due until Tuesday, and all of those are currently scheduled for 2 p.m. Please Canvas message me if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great day.